IDK has been a member of SDVoE since the very beginning of the alliance.
Mm-hmm.
And here this month, we're here to announce that IDK has been upgraded to the status of steering member, which is our top tier membership, which carries a seat on the board of directors and allows you to sort of drive from a leadership position inside the alliance. So I wanted to ask, why are you a member of SDVoE? Why has it been important to you since the beginning, and why take this step to upgrade now?
Yeah, so the biggest reason is the technology the SDVoE provides to the AV manufacturer is the one of the best technology related to the AV over IP, and the very flexible and the high quality the so which is our company direction, so that we provide the very flexible, customer oriented, high quality product to the market and the customers.